nya asian nya de electric scooty mat ka lawe jong ya shaka one shot quincy motors damping shulo pat ka liang no shaka e thamka
District Child Protection Officer Jong Kajala Karnataka Karashmi S Ringkat kiwe kila one on yaki arpu arngut ki khana na pop Meghalaya bla one pai no na Karnataka hadin bagala don gijing kempang jongki na gijing bam ya bam hakate gijala dangshen hagani gijingja arngut ki khana na pop Meghalaya kila klat pat arpu arngut kila yo byang ya gijing kot jingkhya pat menta kila one pai no chala ki jing ki jongki Karashmi kalaong baka penpau baka sngok men pan wanra yegini ki khana Meghalaya hadin bakala yakren man la kasngi pat ko office na Meghalaya ya jinglong jingman jongki khana habagi don hapo Karnataka kalaong bakini kidei ki khana ki jongki hakaba ki khot yaka kum ka amma kalaong ru bakala don ke jing shimkam yagi tu ki badon kti hallor kani ki jingja
25 our DC sir guidance our district administrator to take care of the children's and hand over the CWC through we admission the boys home and we take care of the children and we're happy to children hand over to the Meghalaya state and ma'am program manager Raptap madam is still contact with me still 16/3 she is very care of children so we update day by day what happened there we update there and also we are our children it's our children so every children is DCPO children's and they are called me amma I happy to amma duties
As far as the case is concerned,
Yeah.
action were taken.
yeah it's a process FIR is register and accused it's a process
So that the institute is closed or
closed it's closed and the education department
taking action.
yes action on the school so